D is for the Dragon Dance, a lively, festive exhibition. The fierce dragon leading the parade is a Chinese New Year tradition. How is this verse similar to the other that we have shared? We have exhibition and tradition, and they both rhyme. Why do you think the fierce dragon leads the parade? How can something be scary and also make you proud? The Chinese New Year's Dragon Dance celebrates the dragon, believed to bring good fortune, longevity, strength, and wisdom. All communities in China have dragons in their annual festivals. The dragon looks very fierce and is considered the divine ruler of the lakes, rivers, and seas. It is believed to be a powerful but gentle creature that brings rain to the earth, helps the crops grow, and keeps the farmer cool. The size and length of the dragon depends on how many dancers are available to put on the dragon costume. Some dragons are 7 sections long, and some can be 46 sections long and need up to 65 dancers to hold up the poles attached to the material of the dragon. Some of the decorations on the dragon are very heavy. When the beat of the drums and gongs is heard, the dragon pursues the precious pearl, a symbol of wisdom. The pearl is at the head of the dragon. The dancers underneath have to watch for signals. They know the correct footsteps cannot be too fast or too slow. Every movement must be made in a synchronized plan. In ancient days, the dragon was regarded as the most sacred animal and could only be used on the gowns of emperors. Today, dragon symbols are seen in restaurants, on dishes, embroidered on clothing, and painted on walls. What new information do we have about the dragon? How do you think they decide whether to have a short or long dragon? Now let's talk about some discussion questions. We learned that there are traditions for the dance at the Chinese New Year parade. Have you ever seen a parade on television or gone to one? What do you think both Chinese and American families might have parades for special events? Do you think people in other countries might have traditions like this too? Why? Wonderful job answering questions. Now let's move on to our vocabulary words for today.